So other decorations such as carpets, appliances, and windows, and please go retrieve the materials you think are necessary. Being a builder also means being able to craft.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Of the toolbox. Nice. Thank you for purchasing this mod. I am here to make you become a better builder. Let's start with the basics. You can add me to your inventory by left-clicking. If you ever need advice on the go, let's get started. Here are 50 blocks. Build something so I can assess your skill level in building. Very good. Let's begin our first. When making a house, you want to ensure there is both the roof and floor to ensure your house is functional and visualizing. My goal is to not only make you a better builder, but to prepare your house for visitation blocks. Show me your roof and floor building skills. Excellent job. Thanks. Let us begin our next lesson. Work towards making this house suitable for visitation. Our next lesson is interior design. When designing an interior of a house, you want to not only include furniture, but also other decorations such as carpets, appliances, and windows. And please go retrieve the materials you think are necessary. Being a builder also means being able to craft. I have received news that the visitor is expected in
5 minutes.
Please make the house suitable for visitation as soon as possible. congratulations on completing the first visitation. Need rest, and as such we will begin our next lesson in the morning. Excellent job.